Just got a shiny new phone but dreading the hassle of switching your Cricket wireless service? Fear not, we're about to make this transfer smoother than a freshly buttered slide. First, power down your old phone, then locate the SIM card tray. Usually on the side, use a SIM ejector tool or even a straightened paperclip to gently push into the hole and pop the tray open. Carefully remove the SIM card. Now, grab your new phone, locate its SIM card tray. It might be in a different spot than your old phone. Open the tray the same way and insert your Cricket wireless SIM card. Make sure it's facing the correct way. You'll usually see a small diagram on the tray itself. Power on your new phone. In most cases, your phone will automatically recognize the Cricket wireless SIM card. If not, you may need to go into your phone's settings, typically under connections or mobile networks, and select Cricket Wireless as your carrier. This process varies slightly depending on your phone model. Next, make a test call. Dial a friend or family member to ensure you can make and receive calls. Also, check your data by browsing the internet. If everything works, congratulations! You've successfully transferred your Cricket wireless service. If you encounter any issues, don't panic. Cricket Wireless customer support is there to help. You can find their contact information on their website or by calling 611 from your new phone, if it's able to connect to the network. That's it, a quick and easy way to transfer your Cricket wireless service to a new phone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips.